so super nervous and so much pressure because this is my first time doing Asian Championship and not invitational. This is my first big competition ever. I feel so blessed and honored because I can join competition with some adults and juniors like 18 years old, 17 like that. I can join with them and I'm just 15. Yes, because there's so much pressure because there's so much expectation as good as him or better as him. So it's a lot of pressure. From now on, it's double on floor and Yurchenko a double on vault and blind change full on high bar. There's so many things that I learned from Japan because they're just good as Olympian like Kohei or yun. I'm speechless. We don't know that. We still don't know that.